You got a good EC7 to film at. Freebrickproductions filmed at Rheem before, so anyway, they got a carrier comfort according to 2016 Street. This replaced the York LX, which replaced the Rheem Red Classic. This 1980s Rheem Beast right here. It got a new fan blade. This Trane Odyssey, this replaced a 1980s Trane split system that Freebrickproductions filmed. Refrigerator component here. We got a Rheem or Ruud right here. Rheem, that's obvious. Newer Ruuds, I never see those in my area. 2 carrier comforts. Refrigerator component. There's an exhaust fan up there. Here's a pane. Here's a carrier Gemini. Carrier comfort. Refrigerator component. And a lot more units on there. Carrier comfort here. Might be from the late chapter. That logo looks very faded. And stand Octagon Beast over here. This American Standard. York LX. Oh no, that's a Garden Freebrickproductions from this one. I don't feel like grabbing that logo. I don't feel like it. This sounds terrible. It's a Rheem. Yeah, natural. New Daikin. This looks new. Probably installed by Daikin conditioner. So Beast 1980s Rheem custom running. Look at that beast go. Look at the Beast. Carrier Gemini. Carrier comfort. It's starting to smell gross here, but these are like little units. We got 2 refrigerators. Ew.